Hello, this is Tina. For the first DIY secret message, draw an image or write a note using a candle or white crayon. Please check out how I made this beautiful candle. Link in the description below. Then, paint over it to reveal secret message. Voila, here is your secret message number 1. Next, we have a very neat secret spy message using 2 sheets of paper. Immerse one sheet into the water and place it on top of a mirror. Take a dry sheet and place it on top of the wet paper. Write your message. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I truly appreciate all your likes and comments on my previous videos. Discard the paper with the message on it and let the wet sheet dry up completely. You will notice that the message is invisible on the second sheet. You can barely see it at all. Now, immerse the paper into water to reveal secret message. Voila! Here is your secret message number 2. Third, we have the paper towel challenge. You may have seen it on TikTok as well. You'll need paper towel and colorful markers. First, draw or write your message on the top sheet. Then, open up the layer. Draw the message, which will show up upon immersing into water. Voila! Secret message number 3. Stay home and stay safe. Last but not least, fold paper in half and write your message on top of a soft cushioned surface, such as baby's playmat. Discard paper with message on it. The second sheet looks almost like a blank paper. Shade over it to reveal the secret message. Thank you, doctors, nurses, and scientists. Thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure to watch how to decoupage on candle. And check out my quick and easy DIY tutorial playlist. Subscribe for more quick and easy DIYs I upload every Mondays. Bye for now.